In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name servers for a domain name in two of the popular domain name registration companies. So I'm going to show you how to actually do that on their website. So this is assuming that you already own a domain name for your website, and at the moment it is hosted elsewhere and you want to change it to my hosting. So this is what you do. First of all, we're going to look at this website, which is Heart Internet, which is one of the big domain name registration companies in the UK. Now in here, what we need to do is look for Manage Domain Names and click on that. That brings us into here. And if you've got a number of domain names, they will appear in this list. You may, of course, just have one domain name. I've got a fair few. So we'd look for one of these. Let's look at the Node Updates one. We select that and then we click Manage Now. Then in here, we're looking for where it says Change Name Servers. That is the thing we're trying to adjust. It is the name servers. And so in the different domain name registration companies, these may be called slightly different things, or you may have to look through their menus in a slightly different way, but you are looking to change the name servers. So you'll nearly always do what I've done here, look at your domain names that you've got registered, you'll look to manage the domain names, then you'll look for the name servers. So I'd go for change name servers here, and then at the bottom it gives you the option. Now mine's got a list here because I've got a number of different web hosts that I use. Those are ones I've used previously. Yours won't list as many as that, but where it says custom name servers, all I would do is the list that I've given you. Let me just drag that in so you can see it. I've given you the different name servers to use, which are the two there. So all I would actually do, let me move that out of the way again, is copy the first one of those, and then all I'm going to do is paste it into that first box. Then I copy the second one of those, copy that, and then I paste it into the second box. Then all I would do is click on Change Name Servers. That will update, and that will be it done. Now I'm already using those name servers, as you'll see here, so I don't need to change to that, but you would just click Change Name Servers, and that is all you would need to do. And this time we're going to look at a different domain name registration company. This one's called Namecheap, and we're looking at a similar sort of thing. In here I would actually go to Manage Domains, and I then choose the relevant domain name. Here I'm looking at my christolan.com domain name, but again down this left hand side here we're looking for domain name server setup. So again it is the name server bit that we're looking for. So we click on Name Servers and we come into here, and again you would do exactly the same thing. Now as you can see, mine is already set up on that host, so I don't need to do it, but you would copy and paste the two names of the name servers that you'd need to use, just paste them into the box, again save changes, and that is all you need to do. Very simple. So that is showing you that with two different companies there. Now if you use a different company to these two, these menu options may look slightly different, but it's always going to be the same sort of thing. You're looking for Manage Domains. When you find that, you're actually going to go into a specific domain. When you're in that specific domain, you'll then look for something that says Name Server Setup, and then you will post in the two names that I've given you and then simply update, and that is all you'll need to do. That means you still keep control of your own domain name, but it is now pointing to more towards my servers so that I can then set your website up actually on those servers. That's all there is to it.